Namaste, कुछ रोपिटिया आई JVN Dr. Ashok Kumar Jain, FPD department from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Now today's topic is ECG PPT 8th SEM. Introduction. ECG is a three-letter acronym for electrocardiography. The word is derived from electro, Greek for electricity, cardiac Greek for heart, and graph Greek root meaning to write. It is a transthoracic interpretation of the electrical activity of the heart over time captured and externally recorded by a skin electrode. The device used to produce this non-invasive record is called the electrocardiograph. ECG is the gold standard for the non-invasive diagnosis of the cardiac disease and may occasionally be the only marker for the presence of heart disease. Indication of ECG gold standard for diagnosis of cardiac arrhythmias help detect electrolyte disturbance, hyper and hypokalemia, allow the detection of conduction abnormalities, screening tool for ischemic heart disease during stress test, helpful with non-cardiac disease, example pulmonary embolism or hypothermia. Electrocardiography timeline. 1872, Alexander Muirhead attached wire to a feverish patient, reached to obtain a record of the patient's heartbeat. St. Bartholomew's Hospitals. 1887, British physiologist Augustus D. Waller of St. Mary Medical School, London, published the first human electrocardiogram. This track from the heartbeat was projection onto a photographic plate which was itself fixed to a toy train. 1893, Dutch physiologist William Einthoven introduced the term electrocardiogram at a meeting of Dutch Medical Association. 1895, William Einthoven distinguished five deflection which he named P, Q, R, S, and T. 1902, Einthoven published the first electrocardiogram record on a strain galvanometer. 1912, Einthoven addressed the Chelsea Clinical Society in London and described an equilateral triangle formed by his standard lead, first, second, and third, and lateral card Einthoven triangle. 1924, William Einthoven won the Nobel Prize for inventing the electrocardiograph. Basic electrophysiology. Physiology properties of myocardial cell automatically ability to initiate an impulse, excitability ability to respond to a stimulus, conductivity ability to transmit an impulse, contractility ability to respond with pumping action, depolarization and repolarization of a cardiac cell generate action potential. ECG is composite representation of action potential of all cardiac cell. Electrical conduction system of the heart. The electrical discharge for each cardiac cycle normally started in a special area of the right atrium called the sinoatrial nodes. Depolarization then spread through the arterial muscle fiber. There is a delay while the depolarization spread through another special area in the atrium, the anteroventricular AV node. Thereafter, the electrical discharge travel very rapidly down specialized conduction tissue. First, a single pathway, the bundle of his, which then divided in the spectrum between the ventricles into right and left bundle branches. With the ventricular mass conduction spread somewhat more slowly through specialized tissue called Purkinje fiber. Conduction of the impulse. Normal resting membrane potential is equal to 19 MV. If the potential rise from 90 to 0, then the excited a further rise of potential called the action potential. The action potential is transmitted throughout the cell and from the impulse. During the rise of potential, the membranes become permeable to sodium ion and potential rise to positive direction. This phenomenon is called depolarization. The sodium channel close and there is rapid diffusion of potassium ion into the exterior, establishing their resting membrane potential. This is called depolarization is following by muscle contraction and repolarization is following by the muscle relaxation. Thank you.